Ma'am, huwag kayong magalit ha. Bine-voice out ko lang kung ano yung mga sinasabi ng netizens, kung ano yung nakakarating sa akin sumbong. Now, sabi niyo po, yung sa Korea, wala kayong authorization doon. Maging sa airport, may authorization ba kayo na para ilagay yung picture niyo? And then isa pa po, meron ditong promotion na kayo po'y nakasakay sa bangka and you're promoting the Philippines at kayo po'y nakadamit ng mga bulaklakin at sa Lake Cebu ba ito? Ito ba'y walang authorization nyo rin na ilalagay po yung mukha nyo doon sa cover ng magazine na kayo po'y nakabihis at parang nag-invite ng mga tourist?
Senator Tulfo, that photo I believe you're pertaining to is one that was taken during the Philippine Experience Program, Heritage, Culture, and Arts Caravan that the Department of Tourism implemented in the Soc-Sargen region. That is not a promotional material, but that's actually coverage of the activities of the department. That photo was taken at the time when we held the Philippine Experience Program in South Cotabato.
So bakit hindi na lang po model na taga roon mismo, native
Yes.
po sa lugar na yon, nakilala sa lugar na yon? Why you?
That photo was taken during my presence at the
Yes, ma'am,
South
I know, I
Cotabato.
understand.
Yes.
We don't have any fight on that matter. What I'm trying to say is, someone who's recognized in that community, in that place, yung kilala, kunyari, miss, kung anong bansa, ano bang lugar po yan?
That's Lake Cebu.
Cebu. Oh, how about
Lake Cebu. Yes.
Lake Cebu in Cebu?
In South Cotabato.
So, how about Miss Cotabato instead of you? Nakilala sa lugar na yan.
Senator
So,
Tulfo, let me clarify
No,
that.
no, ma'am, let me finish
Yes.
first.
Mm.
Kanina hindi kita in-interrupt. So bakit hindi na lang po yung isang native na kilala ng mga tao na kapag nakita nila, maagad-agad maintindihan nila bakit siya nandyan as opposed to ikaw. Isa pa po. Ma'am, these are the things that I'm trying to voice out today. Nothing personal, nothing about you. These are the complaints that my office received, my action center received. They came to me and they talked to me and they told me everything I'm telling you now. Isa pa dito, meron sa isang, ano ba to? Pinakita sa amin na puro nakalagay frasco sa isang sa Ninolan, Cebu. So doon sa mga yung sa mga tabi-tabi na may mga eateries, mga karinderya. So merong kahabaan, puro karinderya sa, I think sa highway ba ito? So sa taas, sana inilagay niyo po doon yung mga lugar na pwedeng pasyalan. I'm sure na dadaan dito yung mga turista kasi highway po ito. Sa halip na ilagay niyo po yung karatula doon ng mga places na pwedeng bisitahin, ang nilagay niyo po doon, puro apelyido niyo po all the way. So siguro po walang authorization sa inyo. Baka yung mga tao niyo lang pong gumawa niyan without you telling them. Baka merong gustong sumipsip sa inyo at nilagay yung name niyo. So siguro po pwede yung sabihin yung mga tao niyo next time, wag puro ako. Dapat yung mga lugar na talagang bebenta sa mga tourist. Is that good enough?
Senator, with all due respect, I just wish to place on the record that the photos that have been used and transformed into memes are actually work photos.
Is that AI? You're telling me that's AI?
No.
Okay.
This is a work photo. I was in Lake Cebu in South Cotabato promoting the Philippine Experience Program. The interpretation or misinterpretation of that, of course, is up to public consumption. But we have all the documentation to prove that my presence there was a legitimate one, and it was to help the destination as far as crafting of tourism packages, tourism circuits, building up of attention for the destination in conjunction with our tourism stakeholders.
I'm not saying, Mom, that you're not present, your presence there is not legit. Okay? What I'm saying is, yung presence mo doon, yung sa picture na yan, it doesn't fit in sa taste ng mga Pilipino na nakakita po niyan. Kaya nga po, binabash po kayo. Hanggang sa pumunta po sila sa action center ko para magreklamo. Nung malaman nila magkakaroon ng hearing ng ganito, they came to my office and they told me na ito yung baka pwede may iparating sa Department of Tourism. That's why I'm trying to voice it out today here in the hearing. Okay. So, kasi ang nangyari, ma'am, ang dating daw sa kanila parang pinopromote mo yung sarili mo versus dapat yung Pilipinas ang pinopromote mo o yung mga probinsya ang pinopromote mo versus you promoting yourself. Yun po yung dating sa mga tao. Hindi po sa akin yun ha. That's not from me, from them. So ang dating po sa mga tao na you're trying to promote yourself. So maybe we have to refrain from doing that. We can use model siguro. Di ba? Like I said, yan sabi mo sa Cotabato ba yan? Sa lugar? South Cotabato, then let's use Miss South Cotabato as the model or a native South Cotabato. Ano ba yung pinaka-native dyan sa Cotabato? Yung mga indigenous people in Cotabato. Much better versus kayo po. Yun po yung pinopoint out ng mga lumapit po sa akin. Mr. Chair, gusto magsalita si Ms. Rasco?
Sec, you want to respond?
Yes, I completely hear you, Senator, and I'm grateful that you have brought these matters to light. But since I have the floor, I would just like to reiterate my position that I have tried to be as present as possible in our destinations and for our stakeholders. That is the extent of the duty that I have exercised and nothing more. I have no national ambition. I'm not running for any national position, and therefore any accusation of self-promotion would fall flat because I am not running for any national position in 2028, and therefore there would be no reason for me to promote myself.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm not saying that you're running. Don't put words into my mouth. I'm not saying that. What I'm saying is, yung po nakakalata yung mga tao na parang pinopromote yung sarili mo for whatever reason. Now, also, ma'am, compared to other countries like Vietnam, Korea, Malaysia, Japan, hindi niyo po nakikita yung mukha ng mga secretaries ng Department of Tourism nila doon eh. Wala. Never ka makita sa tourist materials ng kahit anong bansa na banggit ko, yung kanilang Secretary of Tourism, pinopromote yung mga muka ng mga pictures nila. That's what the
Yes.
people that came to me.
Perhaps if it is the pleasure of the
Yeah.
senator that I no longer visit our destinations or that there be no coverage of the same, we can take that into serious consideration. But as far as I'm, my
Ma'am,
understanding,
of course, ma'am, you can
Yes.
visit. Why not? Yeah, I would even, people will appreciate you going there so that makita mo on the ground kung ano yung mga kulang, ano yung mga kailangang gawin, etc. But what we are saying here, ma'am, please, huwag mo i-promote yung sarili mo. Pag
I
pumunta
have
ko na
not,
sa lugar,
Senator.
kung ano yung mga kulang doon, punahin mo and then punuan mo. Yun po yung point ng mga netizens na lumapit po sa akin. Okay? It has nothing to do about you. It has something to do na may problema at sinasabi na kung ano yung problema na dapat punuan natin ngayon.
Senator, we would be also very happy to provide your office with all of the promotional efforts that we have made sans my face in the destinations covered in order to indicate that the Department of Tourism has not ever ceased from promoting our destinations, notwithstanding our very, very limited budget.
Yes, Ms. Rasco, is it about regarding this topic? Can I just get back to you? I just want to finish first yung po sa airfare because this is one of the more important matters that we have to resolve during this hearing. I'll get back to you. In fact, I invited you because of the article in the Inquirer because we need your feedbacks on what are the things that are probably before we let Secretary Cristina Frasco go, no, the chair would like to find out also what are the problems, no, that are the tourists would encounter in the country, no. Aside from, of course, you are doing your best to promote the country, marketing, kahit na po niya kinap yung budget nyo to 100 from 1 billion to 100 million. I mean, compared to other countries, that's very small. But still, we would like to find out later doon. No? Just like, Senator Tulfo, balikan ko lang po yung with your indulgence.